Hello, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to one of the most iconic cities in the world, London. Get ready to discover the rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning attractions that this dynamic city has to offer. So, without further ado, let's dive into our London adventure. Don't forget the like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Arrival and accommodation. 1. Our London adventure begins as we touch down at Heathrow Airport, one of the busiest and most well-connected airports in the world. 2. From here, you can easily access the city using the efficient public transportation system. 3. Heathrow Express, London Underground, the Tube, buses, and taxis. 4. When it comes to accommodations, London offers a wide range of options to suit every budget. 5. Whether you're looking for luxury hotels overlooking the Thames or cozy boutique stays in the heart of the city, you're sure to find something perfect for you. Iconic landmarks. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament. No trip to London is complete without visiting its iconic landmarks. Here at Westminster, you'll find the famous Big Ben clock tower, a symbol of London's history and resilience. Show footage of Big Ben, the London Eye, Buckingham Palace, and Tower Bridge. Ride on the London Eye. For breathtaking panoramic views of the city, a ride on the London Eye is a must. You'll be able to spot landmarks like Buckingham Palace, the Shard, and St. Paul's Cathedral from up high. Cultural immersion. Entrance of the British Museum. London is a melting pot of cultures and history. Immerse yourself in its diversity by visiting world-renowned institutions like the British Museum, where you can explore artifacts from different corners of the globe. Art galleries, theatres, and street performances. The Globe Theatre. If you're a theatre enthusiast, don't miss out on catching a play at the historic Globe Theatre. It's a wonderful nod to London's Shakespearean heritage. Culinary delights. 1. London's food scene has evolved into a culinary paradise, offering flavours from around the world. From traditional British fish and chips to international cuisine in Borough Market, your taste buds are in for a treat. 2. Street food stalls, traditional pubs, and upscale dining establishments. 3. And of course, don't forget to experience the quintessential British tradition, afternoon tea. Indulge in an array of savoury and sweet treats while sipping on a cup of Earl Grey. Green spaces. 1. Hyde Park. 2. Escape the bustling city streets by exploring London's lush green spaces. Hyde Park, one of the city's largest royal parks, offers a serene oasis where you can relax, have a picnic, or even take a leisurely boat ride. 3. Hyde Park, Regent's Park, and Kew Gardens. 4. The beauty of Kew Gardens. For those with a love for plants and nature, Kew Gardens is a haven of biodiversity. Wander through its glass houses and marvel at exotic plant species from all over the world. Shopping and entertainment. 1. Oxford Street. 2. Calling all shopaholics. London is a shopping haven with something for everyone. From luxury boutiques on Bond Street to the bustling shopping mecca of Oxford Street, you'll find the latest fashion trends and unique treasures. 3. Shopping districts, street performers, and West End theatres. 4. Outside a West End theatre. 5. And speaking of entertainment, catch a world-class musical or play in London's vibrant West End. The theatres here offer captivating performances that will leave you mesmerised. The city skyline. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, our whirlwind tour of the incredible city of London. From its historic landmarks to its modern culinary scene, this city truly offers an unforgettable experience for every traveller. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep exploring and keep adventuring. 1. Subscribe and like buttons. Thanks for watching.